Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT. This Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4, automatic headlights and fog lights. Vehicle has a leather wrapped heated steering wheel here as well, column shifter, 4 kilometers on the truck, brand new. Push button ignition, nice large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Vehicle has dual zone climate control with heated seats, integrated trailer braking system as well, ready to go. There's outlets as well here, USB ports, all black interior to match the black Trail Boss truck. We do have the Bose audio as well, and our black leather heated seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss LT here. Now this is a crew cab long box, first one I've seen here. We do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires. Coming to the front, color matched door handles with keyless entry on the front driver's door, Z71 off-road. Now the Trail Boss does come with the factory 2-inch lift up front as well. You get the color matched bumper and grille with the LT Trail Boss, Z71 grille, red tow hooks, fog lights, LED daytime running lamps. You see that large stance there with the 2-inch lift up front, big truck for 1500. At the back, obviously a long box there, so you get all that extra room. You do have the dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as now the GM Multi-Pro tailgate is available on the truck here. So you do have that working tailgate and LED brake lights. Taking a quick look at the interior here, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well with in-seat storage. We have a rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and a sunroof. There's USB ports as well as the rubberized floor liners have been installed in the truck. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.